So this week's word of the week for week number 30 is plyometrics. Now, plyometrics is defined as a type of exercise training that uses speed and force of different movements to build muscle. Different types of activities that use plyometrics are box jumps, wall balls, skater jumps, scissors, and dot drills. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 19 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, we have jumping jacks. Number 2, we have side shuffles. Number 3, tap jacks. And number 4, bottom kickers. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 19. Exercise number 1 is jumping jacks. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet together, hands are at your side. You're gonna jump out, your feet go up wide, your hands are up, okay? Once you jump back in, hands go down. So just remember, when your feet are together, your hands are at your side. When you jump out, your hands are up, okay? I like to tell my students, if you guys wanna make a rainbow, if you guys wanna make a pretty heart, or if you guys would like to clap, you can do that as well. Come back in, okay? Completely up to you. Exercise number 2, we got side shuffle, so I'm going to go ahead and start over here on my left, and I'm just going to get down to a nice squat position, and I'm just going to shuffle 1, 2, 3, pretend I have a cone here, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, I'm going to go back and forth, okay? 3 steps, 3 shuffles, tap as if you had an imaginary cone. Number 3, we're going to go down into a push-up plank position, okay? And these are called tap jacks. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into that push-up plank position. Our feet are going to be wide. And what you're going to do is kind of like similar to a jumping jack, but you're going to hold that plank position. So you're going to bring your feet in, you're going to bring your feet out, feet in and out, okay? These are called plank jacks. I'll go ahead and turn so you guys can see at a side angle. So again, feet out wide, and then in, out, and in, all right? Again, those are called plank jacks. Last but not least, we got bottom kickers. Now, Mr. Garcia does have an injured knee, but I'm gonna do my best. So you're basically just gonna get your heels at your bottom, so you're just gonna go back like this, okay? So those are called bottom kickers. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll begin shortly. All right, so here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, jumping jacks. Remember, feet are out wide, your hands are up. Once your hands go down, your feet are together. Great start to our Fast 5 workout number 19. If you have not checked out 1 through 18, I highly recommend it. And you guys can do the clap, rainbow, heart, really up to you. All right, get ready for those side shuffles. Remember, 3 to your right, 3 to your left. 3, 2, 1. And go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, tap. 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 See if you guys can pick up the speed, okay? Side to side. Okay, nice job, my friends. You're doing great. Tap jacks are coming up next. All right, let's go. Down into tap jacks. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Tap jacks. So again, you good. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Make sure you guys are breathing through your nose, out through your mouth. All right, on your feet, let's go, bottom kickers. Let's go. Finish it off. You want to pretend like you're sprinting. Get those arms going. Move to the side. Keep your bottoms, let's go. Great job, my friends, you're doing amazing. Now we're just finished, my friends. And time, all right. 1 minute rest. Woo! This is a great little cardio workout. Again, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for joining me today for our Fast 5 workout number 19. Whew. I think by the end of the year we'll have like Fast 5 50 or more, something of that sort. So again, every week, you know, I post a brand new Fast 5 workout that you can do. Friends, family, siblings, cousins, aunts, whoever you guys have in your household. Highly recommend you do it with them. And it only takes 5 minutes, my friends. 5 minutes, all right. Woo! 10 seconds left. Shake it off again. We're gonna start with the jumping jacks. All right, here we go, jump. Start again, 3, 2, 1, and go. Try to do as many jumping jacks as you can. Challenge yourself, pick up your speed. Just make sure you have the correct form. My friends, just finish. Side shuffles, let's go. And we go down. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3. Notice how my feet are not crossing, I'm going side to side. They're called side shuffles. You guys can touch your ankles. Challenge yourself. Better. Do this exercise. Alright, we're going down into those plank jacks. Almost there, my friends. Halfway done. Halfway done with this round. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Remember, open, close. Try to maintain your back straight. Make sure your wrists are facing forward. They are not turned out. 3, 2, 1. On your feet, let's go finish it off. Bottom kickers. Let's go, chop. Pretend you're running full sprint. Let's go. Oh, look at the trees. Look at the clouds. Look at the beach. We're right down the beach. Let's go. Chop, chop, chop. Let's go. And time, my friends. Great job. You completed Fast 5 workout number 19. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself out to the back. And here's a virtual fist bump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 19. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the exercises, what you guys thought about the workout, what was your favorite part about it. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget that you guys can also drop a comment down below what you guys would like to see in a future Fast 5 workout, or tell me what exercises you have been doing so that I can create a new Fast 5 workout, okay? So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome to the channel. channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I have a fun game for you. It's called Jenga. Now a lot of you guys have played it with the little wooden blocks. Well, this is the PE version of Jenga, so make sure you guys stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so for this game of Jenga, what you're going to need is some cups. If you have 5 to 8, 8 would be best. And then you are going to need the same amount of ping pong balls or bouncy balls that you could pop into them. Alright, so I'll get started in just a moment and I'll demonstrate this activity for you. Now that you have your items ready to go, this is exactly how the game is played. You're going to get the ping pong ball. What you're going to do is just going to drop it, let it bounce, and then you're going to scoop it up. The cup at the bottom is going to go on top of that ball. Now if you guys notice, it's kind of wiggly, and that's where Jenga gets a little more interesting. Then you're going to get the next ball, second ball, bounce it, and then catch it. And then you're going to stack that cup on top of that ball. And now, it's getting even more wiggly. And you just keep going back and forth. You top it off. Every single time you bounce it and make it, you are then going to put it up top just like that. Okay. If you have a stack of 8, it makes the game more interesting, a lot more fun. For this demonstration, I'm going to go and use a cup stack of 6. And again, your goal is to top it off with all 6 cups completed. You can do this as fast as you can. You can do this in rounds against somebody and see which level you guys finished at. It's completely up to you. You can make it a 1-minute challenge, see if you can complete the task in 1 minute. Those are all different options, okay? I'm gonna go and get started in just a moment. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, that's 2. 4, 5, last one, all I gotta do is get it in. Remember, stack drops, game is over. Close. Alright, completed all 6. And time 51 seconds. I hope you guys enjoyed this game of Jenga. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Until next time, take care.